Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm Brielle, and today I'm pumped to share my review of the EUHOMY Commercial Under-Counter Ice Maker. If you're tired of running out of ice at parties or for your business, this machine might just be your new best friend. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. First, let's break down the features. This EUHOMY Ice Maker pumps out 66 pounds of chewable nugget ice every 24 hours with a 24-pound storage bin. It's a built-in or freestanding unit measuring 15 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 32.5 inches tall, so it fits perfectly under standard kitchen or bar counters. The LCD control panel is super user-friendly, showing the room temperature and alerting you when water's low or the bin's full. It's got a 24-hour timer and a self-cleaning function. Just hold the clean button for 5 seconds and it's good to go. The double-layer ice box keeps ice cold longer, and the gravity drainage system makes maintenance a breeze. Plus, it's energy efficient with a powerful compressor that's surprisingly quiet. Now, the pros. This thing is a beast for ice production, perfect for home bars, small businesses, or ice-chewing enthusiasts who love that Sonic-style nugget ice. It's compact, so it saves space, and the stainless steel design looks sleek. The self-cleaning feature is a huge time saver, and customers rave about its fast ice making, with cubes ready in about 10-15 minutes. It's also ETL certified for commercial use, so it's built to last whether you're hosting a party or running a café. But there are a few cons. The ice bin isn't refrigerated, so ice can melt if left too long. Store extras in a freezer if needed. Some users say the basket fills up fast, pausing production until you clear it. It requires a water line and gravity drain, so setup might need a plumber if you're not handy. Lastly, the included plastic scoop feels a bit flimsy. Consider upgrading to a metal one. I recommend the EUHOMY Commercial Under-Counter Ice Maker if you need a reliable, high-output machine for home or small business use. It's ideal for restaurants, bars, or anyone who wants chewable ice on demand. If you only need occasional ice or lack plumbing, a countertop model might suit you better, but this one's a powerhouse for heavy ice needs. Ready to chill your drinks in style? Check out the EUHOMY Ice Maker using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link supports our channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks! If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.